Hi everyone, here we've got ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip, and let me share with you how to activate the emoji suggestions on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. Now let's tap on Languages and Input on the second position, and here in the keyboard section we have to tap on On-Screen Keyboard. Now let's pick the Gboard because this is currently the keyboard we are currently using, and tap on Text Correction. And as you can see right here, we've got the option Show Emoji Suggestions, which is right now turned off, so let's turn it on just by tapping on the switcher. And from now on, this option is active, so your device will predict and show you some suggestions connected to the emojis. So actually, this is it. This is how to show emoji suggestions in your ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.